Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. So today we're going to be doing my favorite wash and go using some of my favorite products. So we're going to go from being bum and crusty to all juicy curls. So what I do, I start off with my Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. I really don't like this conditioner. It irritates my scalp, so I'm just really using it just to use it all. So after I shampoo and condition my hair, I do all of my detangling beforehand. I do it in the shower, and I do it when the conditioner is on my hair because it's easier for me. But we're gonna go through and you can see how my curls are. It's about maybe 75% dry with me just having a t-shirt on my hair. But I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna section off my hair like I want it. Next, I'm going to take this water bottle, and it just has conditioner in it, a little bit of oil, and I spritz it on my hair because my hair dries really fast. So I have to re-wet my hair to get like my most juiciest pop-in wash and go. So next I just take this oil, and this is just a mixture of coconut oil, tea tree oil, and Shea, raw Shea butter. And I put this on my scalp. I like to use oil directly on my scalp because I have a very dry scalp. I think I almost have psoriasis or something along those lines because my scalp is just ridiculously dry. But after that, I go ahead and section off my hair into smaller pieces that are better for me to work with. And then I take my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink, what is this, gel? I guess it's a gel. So we just take this gel. I take a good bit of it, and I first like to work it between the mid and the bottom of my hair and then work it up. And then usually I go back and I put a little bit more on the top portion of my hair because that part likes to frizz out the most. So I want to make sure it's nice and wavy and my wash and go stays, so when it dries, it doesn't dry like a little poofy mess. But after I do that, I take my Denman brush. This is a fake Denman brush that I got from the beauty supply store for about $5. But I take that and I just basically comb it through my hair to clump my curls together. And yeah, that's basically it. So now you can see how my hair looks. It's nice and juicy. All of my curls are clumped together. It looks very nice. So I just do this to my entire head. I really make sure I get that oil on my scalp. Now ladies, if you have very dry scalp, I would recommend you do this method or using this oil combination because it has really helped my scalp tremendously. I used to have a lot of dandruff and flakes in my hair, but since I've been using these 3 oils mixed together, I have less dandruff and less flakes in my hair. Now I do oil my scalp maybe every 3 to 4 days, and I do wash my hair almost every week. So it's a lot of upkeep, but I will do anything to reduce the amount of dandruff in my hair. So this is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you give this video a like. If you have any suggestions or want to discuss some of your favorite products with me, just leave a comment down below. I see you guys next time. Bye.